Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keep leading zeros in the Google Sheets. So what I mean is when you try to enter the zero number in front of other numbers, the zero will be disappear. So I'm going to show you. And I try to write this and when I click on enter, then the zero will just disappear just like that. So if you want to add zeros in front of other numbers, this is what you are going to do. The first method, you can put apostrophe in front of the zero first and then write the zero, hit on enter, and just like that the zero will still be there, or it will keep the leading zeros. That's the first method. The second method, you can change the format of the numbers by clicking on format, number, and choose as plain text. Click on plain text. So when you do that and you write zeros in front of the other numbers, the zero will still be there, just like this. So that's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.